Alright, check it out. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little while, it's been about a week, but just wanted to do this update. I've been real busy, but as you can see, look at this lawn here. Look at this tall type turf fescue. This is side number 2. Look how it grew in. This is only, what, 3 weeks into the lawn renovation after I planted the seeds down? This is 3 weeks. I haven't cut it yet. I was gonna actually give it a cut, but I decided against it because I had some spots in here that I had threw down some extra seed and where it was like real thin at, so I wanted to give it a chance to grow in. So I'll probably cut it maybe in another week, 2 weeks. Let's see how it goes. But if this is what I got to look forward to, I'm happy. I do got some nut sedge growing in, as you can see, the light green leaves there, the light green grass blades. That's all nut sedge. So I will treat for that after like about the 3rd mow, because the grass is still new here, so you don't want to stress it out trying to fight off weeds. I don't want to do that too early, so I'm fine with the weeds growing in for now. I'll deal with it later. This is side number 2. Just take another look at that. See, filled in real nice, and this is only 3 weeks in. Now side number 1 is not really doing as good as side number 2 there. Got a lot more weeds in here, but that's expected because of the time of the year. Weeds love the heat, so, and you don't have a tall grass to a tall thick lush grass to fight off the weeds, or you ain't put down no weed killer or anything, the weeds will thrive in this weather. So I remember I did this lawn renovation. It's about 90 plus degrees out here, so you're not supposed to really do a lawn renovation in the summertime, but I chose to do it anyway. So you got to take the good with the bad. This side is filling in real slowly. This is actually, this whole side here, remember I redid this one a week ago. This is a week, so it is growing in on the edge there. If you go back and look at my other video, you'll notice the difference. Like especially this corner here, it's coming in real fast. But that's only 7 days back there, so I'm not too worried about that. Maybe in about another a week, 2 weeks, it'll be filled in. So then I'll actually start mowing it down, and then on that 3rd mow, I'll start fighting weeds. I'll start putting my weed and feed down, or my weed killer down, whatever I choose. I got a bunch of products, so I know for one I'm gonna need a nut sedge. A lot of nut sedge is infesting this yard here. I got some crabgrass in there and some clovers also, but I'm not too worried about that. I got all the product to kill that, so that's another video. That's more basically more content. I'll say that, more content to show you how to fight off weeds and how to kill weeds in the lawn. So I'm not too worried about that. But look at these like thick patches here. They're growing in real nice and thick. So I'm not too worried about that. But side number 1 actually needs a little help. I think I'm gonna throw a little Milorganite down. Probably give it a little boost, feed it. So but I'm gonna do the Milorganite after I do my weed and feed. I don't want to feed the weeds. So, but then look at that, it is growing in. This side took a bad hit to the weeds. So let me show you the edges that I did. Remember when I pulled out all the rocks out of the edges here in my other video? Look at that. This is only 7 days, so 7 days after planting the seed down, and the edges are coming back. Certain areas of the grass is coming in, filling in faster than the others, so I don't know why. Maybe because it hits more sun. I've been watering it about 3-4 times a day, hand watering, so I don't know. I guess maybe some of the seeds just germinating faster than the others. So, but like I said, I'm gonna feed it after I do the weed and feed on it, after I do my weed killer. So I'm just shooting a quick video. It might sound a little rushed, but I just wanted to show you a quick update of what I'm working with right now. This is only 3 weeks in. This side here, this side to the left is 3 weeks in after the lawn renovation, after I replanted the seeds. And remember, I had to wash out also, so that's why I got some patches that didn't grow in, but it is growing in here. Check it out. It is coming in because I threw some seeds down like a week ago in those little patchy areas. So it is coming in. This side here is only 7 days, so bear with me. Gonna make it through the summer here, and maybe by, well, I would say before fall, I should have a nice lush lawn that I'm gonna actually get ready and start prepping for next year. So I'll show you side number 2 again. Side number 2 did a lot better. I never got around to replanting the edges here. I'll do that also like around the fall time, so I'm not too worried about that. I just wanted to show you a quick update of what I'm working with. Let's check it out. Yeah, look at that. All right, side number 1 once again. Yeah, I'm crazy enough to do a lawn renovation in the summertime, so I'm a little boredom. So, but stay tuned. I got more content coming. Bear with me. We're gonna make it through this summer. Take care.